Yes, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Apache NiFi on Windows 11 operating system. To download the software in Google search box, write there Apache NiFi. Then go on this NiFi Apache org site. Click this. Then here you need to click on this download button. Then this here you can get this NiFi. So this there I'm going to download there or NiFi 1.28.1. So this you can see here source and standard. So going to download there NiFi standard 1.2. Now click into this. The NiFi zip file or bin zip file is currently downloading. The total size 1.2 or GB. And here if I open this place command prompt, then or NiFi requires Java. So here Java must be installed. So if I write the Java minus minus version, then you can see this is 25 version that install. And if I write the Java, this all that's come, that means path that has been already set it. And the next is if I go there, add it system environment variable there, or you can see Java home that's given there. See program files Java ZK, so you should give Java home. And here let's see the status. So this will take a few minutes times to complete this download. NiFi that successfully downloaded, and here you can see this is the file. Then right click and here WinRARs that's going to use and extract the files. So you can extract anywhere. So this I'm going to extract inside the C drive. C drive, then click OK. So file is now currently extracted. That's extracted. Thereafter, the next is let's go into the C drive. And here you can see this is the NiFi. So we need to go on this bin, and here you can see this run NiFi file is there. So opening this command prompt and opening with the administrator. Thereafter we need to copy this location and there let's use the cd command to change the directory. Now if I write there dir, then you can see this all file are there. So here going to use this run nifi.bat. So let's write there run hyphen nifi. Then you should give the extension bat. Batch file is there. So now press enter. Press enter and wait for a few seconds. This coming. Okay. So currently Apache NiFi is running. Thereafter let's go on this Chrome. Sorry, on this browser, and here we need to use this and press enter. Here you can get this. So click on this advanced and here clicking accept, and this you can get there. Here you need to give the username and the password. So for this one let's go here on this C drive, this here NiFi, then here press L, then get their logs. So NiFi app, this come there, and this place you can see so many data is there. So here click on this edit find. They're going to write their user name and now press enter. So this place you can get this username and the password. So copying this username and they are going to pay. After click on this here login. After you can start using the NiFi.